Dear GIZ colleagues, dear Mr. Bogdanovic, Mr. Dirndit, Mr. Yakovlevich, ladies and gentlemen. It's my pleasure to be here today and welcome you on behalf of the German Embassy and German Development Corporation. For over a decade, the German Development Corporation has worked through the open regional funds, in this case the regional funds, modernization of municipal services, on building capacities of public utility companies to provide better services and increase their efficiency. Germany has created a regional capacity development network for water and sanitation that aims at improving the performance of local self-government units and water utility companies in delivering water and sanitation services to citizens. Together with the private sector, German Development Corporation works on introducing best practices in integrated asset management for over 120 water utility companies all over the region. And from what I have heard, within this program, you have been able to achieve outstanding results in improving the efficiency and quality of services. By jointly implementing these measures, we have built strong partnerships to create better living conditions and prosperity for all citizens. So I'm very glad to be here today. This ceremony is about something way more concrete than the overall context I just gave. It's about handing over this: protective equipment, materials such as disinfectants, gloves, masks, to fight COVID-19. COVID-19, the situation in which we are all in together. We understand that because of the coronavirus and the pandemic, local self-governments and public utility companies are more than ever under pressure to assure proper service delivery and sufficient hygiene standards. The German Development Corporation has therefore devised measures to strengthen their capacities to overcome the challenges of this pandemic. The project is preparing customized risk management and contingency plans to assure service delivery during an emergency. And in addition to these measures, we wish to assist our partner companies and municipalities to prevent spreading of the disease, and that is why we provide this packages with protective equipment and other materials. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very glad about the solidarity and support Germany and the EU. You know that Germany is presidency of the EU right now. The solidarity and support we are showing Serbia. This is the case with a very impressive economic package that was worth billions of euro that was presented in Brussels and in Belgrade last week. But this is also the case with this very concrete handing over of materials we hope will be useful indeed for your work. It's my pleasure to be in such an event today, and I'm glad to, that we really have here these concrete packages that we can look at, that we can show in the pictures, and I hope that this will be some tangible proof of the overall commitment for the task we have in common. Thank you so much for coming here. I know that some of you have had a very long trip. I've been myself traveling Serbia a lot, so I had a chance to be on places such as Zaječar, Kragujevac. I'll be headed to Kragujevac next week again for the anniversary event there. Loznica has not been on my list so far, but I promise it's a plan to go